unfortunately the sound didn't work on my camera today, so what I'm doing is just a little bit of a review on my bike and voicing over for you so that you can get a gist of what I was saying.
It's another camera.
So it's a CB125R, a nice blue colour, I think it's jeans blue, quite a matte paint.
I know my place.
It's a lovely little bike, very comfy to ride on, and has really nice road presence as well. I'm just going to go and turn the ignition on. But if I just talk about the screen a little bit, it tells me that the side stand's down, what gear you're in, about what speed you're doing, obviously. So this is a nice little LED screen, as you see, side stand down, and gears, and all the revs and what have you. When we just walk around the bike, you can see the lights on there, the little LED headlights, they're quite sweet. Just gives it quite a nice look. It doesn't look like a small bike really. Really nice gold forks and gold rims as well. You can see the new gear levers here. They obviously had a bit of a mishap the other day and had to replace the gear levers. I mean, I needed to replace them anyway for adjustable ones, but these are the new ones that are on there. So if I just walk around the back, if the back little seat comes off the passenger seat, and there's about enough room for a sandwich in there, not much else, but that gives you just the back angle of the bike, and just coming around the side again. So I've put the indicator on, get a little look to see what those little LEDs look like when they're flashing. They're pretty bright, that's quite sweet, and the front one as well. And we'll turn it off. But yeah, a really comfy little bike to sit on. It's, I would imagine, if you were a commuter in a city, it would be a really good bike to be on. That just shows you that it obviously will lock. That goes on there. But yeah, it's a really neat little bike, very comfy, really enjoy riding it. But yeah, got a bit of mud on it now. It has got pegs for a pillion. Not that I would ever have a pillion on it, but I suppose you could in an emergency. I'm not sure for pillion, but if you ever needed to, you could, but I don't think it's a big enough bike, to be honest with you. I think that would be quite uncomfortable as a pillion, having sat on a few bikes as a pillion before. Yeah, it's a pretty little bike. It comes in 4 different colours, so this is the blue, comes in a black, a red and a silver. It's got good road presence, and it's actually a really good looking bike for a 125, and definitely worth a thought if you are going to be getting your CBT and looking for a 125 to get out and about on. I would definitely recommend it.